Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about Bose, how they're a great company, but their products don't hold up very well. And if you have a pair of qc35s and the pads went out on them, how to fix them. Let's get it, man. Now everyone knows about Bose and how good their headphone quality is. I personally love the Bose product line. I've owned multiple Bose products. I think the first pair of headphones I owned was the Bose Trueport. Now they cost $149 back in 2008. And a $400 headphone, which I think was the Bose QC10s or the QC20s back in that time, were $400. Now in 2008, a pair of $400 headphones was ridiculous. If you had a pair of $400 headphones, you were pretty much balling on some Jim Jones status. Like, people did not have $400 headphones like how they have today. But just like back then, the build quality of my Trueports was horrible. The headphones went out within 1 year. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I'm not a fan of Bose, because I really do like Bose. I've owned multiple Bose products. Bose SoundSport Freeze, Bose SoundSport Wireless. I've owned the Bose SoundLink Wireless, Bose QC35s, Bose QC700s, and I've tried out the Bose Quiet Comfort True Wireless headphones, but they went out within the first week. The left bud stopped working, so I literally took them back. But I've pretty much owned damn near all the Bose headphones within the last couple of years. Just look at my SoundLink headband and my SoundLink's pads. Both are flaking horribly bad. My QC35s, the pads just went out on them horribly within the first year. I mean, really, just look at my QC35 pads. Just look at them. They look like flat tires. And these were $450 headphones, and this went out in the first year. So they were highly expensive for the way these headphones look after just 1 year. Now, I'm not gonna act like I just bought my QC35s. I bought my QC35s when they came out. I'm gonna leave a text or something down here, guys, to let you guys know exactly what year it was that they came out. But my QC35s has been sitting around for years because I did not know you could get new replacement pads for them. Now, anybody who has a pair of QC35s, I'm pretty sure your Earpads are messing up just like how mine is. It's a major issue when it comes to the QC35s. You can literally just Google it and you'll see tons of people talking about the issues that they have with their QC35s. This is one of the main problems that's going on. You're paying a huge premium price tag for pads that's not lasting no more than just a year, and that's horrible. Now, wait, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I did some research and I found a company named Wicked Cushions. I did say that right, Wicked Cushions, and they sell replacement pads for the QC35s and the QC700s. Now, before you think that these are exactly the same pads that you're gonna get from the actual Bose website, they are not. They are not the same comfort quality at all. I have tested them. They are cool, but they are not the same comfort quality as the Bose stock pads at all. Do I like them over the Bose quality headphones? No. Bose quality headphones are some of the softest headphones that you'll put on your head. But if you want a different custom colorway and you just want to have your headphones look unique for a cheaper price, I would definitely go with these Wicked Cushions. Me personally, I would go back to Bose headphone pads if they didn't tear up so bad. These are more thicker, more padded, but they don't have that seal that you get with Bose headphones, like that memory foam where it goes in your skin and it feels like sucked in. These are more like just pillows that lay on your ear. So if you do have the QC35s and you have that noise canceling, it does have that issue of not getting a good seal like you used to have. But the price is different. Now, the Bose stock pads are $34.95 and the Wicked Cushion headphone pads are $23.95. So it's a small difference when it comes to the price. If you want a custom colorway and really don't care and you don't think the Bose headphone pads are that comfortable anyway, then go with the Wicked Cushions. But if you are buying Bose product, you are buying them for the lightweight, the cushion, the comfort. Go back to your Bose stock pads, but I can guarantee you within another year, you will be replacing them again. Now, after all that ranting, I will tell you guys how to actually replace the QC35 pads with the Wicked Cushion ones. Or if you want to get the stock pads, how to replace those. So just grab on the inside of the QC35 pads, pull them, you'll hear a pop. They'll slide right out. They have the liner for the inside. The QC35 pads and the Wicked Cushion will both come with them. It's a sticky side double tape on both sides. You just pull it out, realign it back up, push it back down if you need to replace it. Bose says recommended you should change them out if you are changing out the pads, but if yours aren't dirty or they're not bad, you can keep your stock ones in there. So to replace them, you grab the wicked cushion, line them back up, push them back in till you feel a snap. Now these aren't as good as the actual stock pads, I can tell you that now, so you will have a little bit more trouble getting these to snap back in than you will with the actual stock pads that come with it. Now after you line them all up, your headphones should look like this. Like I said, they look nice, but obviously you could tell if you bought these pads, they're not the same quality as the qc35 pads at all, but it is a good replacement and it is a different look. I guess this is more of like a rant review type thing on the wicked cushion pads. So me personally, I do like the wicked cushion pads, but if I could do it over again, I would just buy Bose stock pads. But then I'm kind of in the air because they already tore up on me, so I don't know. I kind of like the wicked cushion pads and they're cheaper. So you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, check me out for my next videos. Peace.